Hello guys, today we are looking at how to add your business to Google Maps. So I have Google Maps opened up here. So if you have a business and you would like to promote it, a good way is by putting it on Google Maps in order for people to search it up and be able to see your business. Let's say if they're searching yogurt and you're putting a yogurt shop, your yogurt shop will be on the list depending on how close it is to them. Alright, in order to add your business to Google Maps, you need to go to Google Business Profile and go on here and click on Google Business Profile, click on Sign In, and then put your business name. So I'll say Sneaker Shop and stop. And then just go, and then you choose, say you have a store you opened up or you're planning to, you just put that, or if it's all online, just say online. Click next. This category, shoe store. Just put it. This is kind of like a tag. You can add more later. Let's say not only shoes, you also sell like clothing. You can add like clothing, whatnot, and apparel. Then it will be easier for customers to be able to find your shop in your search, and then just find the address. So I'll just put a random address here. It pops up. And then click on it. And then you can add your website and phone number. So if customers see your Google Maps location, they can contact you. Put your business on the map, say connecting. Then yeah, this is what we came here to do. And then you'll have to verify in order to be able to put your business. So enter your phone number here. And then you can set your hours here. Like if it's a physical store, you'll just put it's open from 10 a.m. to, let's say, 7 p.m. And then you just add that. And then you could accept messages or not to get messages or reviews from your customers or potential customers. And then you could add a description. Don't make it super long, but make it so that the customer or viewer can understand your business and hopefully want to come shop. And then you can add photos of your store or products, which I'm skipping because I have nothing. And then you have $500 it gives for advertising. So when they search up, let's say you have a yogurt shop or you have a apparel shop, your business is one of the first ones. It says ad, but it is one of the first ones people will see when they search up. And it even gives you like domains, but let's say you already have a website, so you wouldn't need this, but if you wanted to, you can get one of these. Then edits, once you're verified, and then here you go. That is how you add your business to Google Maps, and then customize like the hours and do everything. Then of course you would have to verify it. So right now you will not be able to search up the business. Like if you search this up, it will not show. It says not publicly visible. But it is a great benefit to add your business on Google Maps in order to reach more clients and customers, no matter what business you do. So I would recommend doing this if you have a business planning to open up a physical store or professional office. Just saying, and thank you for watching.